Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Eufy doorbell that won't connect to the Wi-Fi and the most common reasons why the setup fails. So first of all, you need to simply just check that you are connecting to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as most of the Eufy doorbells don't support the 5 gigahertz during the setup. So if your phone or router is using only a 5 gigahertz network, the connection is definitely going to fail. So you need to make sure that you connect it to 2.4 gigahertz network. After doing so, the second thing that you need to do is to simply place your phone as well as your doorbell close to the router while pairing. If you are setting up a wired model, you can verify that the doorbell is receiving enough power from the transformer before starting the Wi-Fi setup. Now, if the setup fails, you can just simply try connecting the doorbell to your phone's mobile hotspot. If it connects successfully, the issue is likely with your router settings rather than the doorbell itself. So in that case, what you can do is you can just simply restart your router and then you can try pairing it again. Now you can also then press the sync button in order to reset your doorbell. Then you can update the Eufy software application to the latest version, and then you can just simply run the setup again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again or connecting to Wi-Fi again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.